to find out that I would say 80% of people coming around me are not coming genuinely because they love me. They are.
Hey, Lilipo, don't call my channel. Welcome, sis. Welcome, sis Lilipo. Hey, it break table, my beautiful people. I don't know whether or not I don't watch the video. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. All my returning, I always salute for you. I appreciate every one of you. My beautiful people, this our sister Lilipo, she break table. Yes, I'll call her and say she break table. She said now, we the grow YouTube and I make the, in fact, the big YouTuber, no, they accept us, you know, they want help us, you know, they don't want open door for us. For there, I believe some, when some make me shock, it shortalize my bone marrow. Hey, my people. He said some people for this street, he go carry another person matter put for head. All the name of say share me. He said some people that go fight for you, throw a car. Yeah. He said because of selfish interest, I be, you know, for she to know that person. Let me come in for there. Not only big YouTuber, and I saw many human being waiting the one game for you. If they don't target you, say this thing, if I draw for this person, this person go come, in fact, it go turn on to help me, or you go do now. So human being just be. Before you go see somebody when like you for who you are now, he had. No be by big YouTuber, whether big or small. Before you go see any maybe working place, any place at all, before you see somebody just genuinely love you, not lie. And this message still go to my all-grown YouTuber, my fellow all-grown YouTuber. Believe in yourself. Believe in your chest. Believe in your strength. Believe in yourself. Yes, I can repeat it how many times. No, they look you she fix. You understand? Yes. Now so me be I know they look any big YouTuber. Say, one day you go share. What if you will share me? Her audience, they don't like you. What if she share you? No be waiting her audience like. Many of us, we they forget to capture those things. She feel share you. Now imagine person when they do move back, it share you. And maybe you they do another vlog. How you feel say move back people go just they watch you know. Or maybe person when they plait hair, now get hair, China hair, it share you. And you they do vlog. How you feel say they go fit like you? Or maybe person when they do gossip. It share person when they do makeup. How you feel say that, you know, for me, just being you. No, they do that one as slavery. Like say you they, you know, for me, I don't like them. And if you want talk, maybe you want fight for anybody, any YouTuber, whether big or small, let your truth be truth. Not say because of this big YouTuber want share you. No. If you see, this is how I see him, may it be like that. Not be say, oh, if I fight for her, why are you fighting? Are you a God? Now God they fight our battle. Talk how it be, then leave her. Leave the rest for God. Not can't go they do eye service. At the end, the lady will come find out say, I'm just doing it because you go share me out. Or I'm just doing it because I know say you give me shot. No, now. That is you are not a true person. Yes, maybe tomorrow then you can't talk the truth. Now they'll say no, maybe that big YouTuber, you say no mind now, they'll say if I do me, maybe because they do it to another person. No, it no matter, it no good. Being you. Being you, if you see truth, if you see black, say na black, if you see red, say na red. For your own opinion, other people can say na lie, but you know say you know they join anybody. You are just saying it because how it be. That one and for that one. And she still make sure say some people go they find something for your mouth. My people, this one now see through. May I tell you now, what you know say, you know if you talk for public, don't ever say it with any YouTuber. In private. If you know what you talk for private, in public your face still come outside say yes I talk and this is the reason why I talk now so it be not be say after you don't talk for private then the person will come record you or you come blast you or maybe you're writing. May we be very careful. Because nobody know tomorrow. You feel wake up tomorrow now. YouTube just pick you. You just they grow. People, they'll come, they look you as a big YouTuber. Then those YouTubers won't get that grow. Because say, I know this is what he said. This is what she said. This is what he did. This is what he do. you know. Just clear from as we just dey grow now, just dey clear your name. Everything wey me, Naija Daughter, Esther family dey talk for private, I know say for public I can still say it. That one no be anything, no be anything at all. We should be very, very careful. That one na true for that one. That one na true. Maybe not even be a YouTuber like you. Anybody. Because that human being, because I believe say 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, I not be YouTuber, but today I don't be YouTuber. Know what you discuss with anybody. What you discuss with anybody when you know say in public, you go fit talk that kind of thing for anybody, because this world is deep. People can collect something for your mind just because of they know you. They want go start YouTube because they know say algorithm don't pick you. They want come go start YouTube. That one na that one. Okay, and the other one my sister still talk, he say how will she dey Europe, she for fit plan her life well, and she for fit dey plan. No, my sister, na lie. Maybe as you don big now, maybe, but somebody like us, we the grown YouTuber, you want support, you get appointment, you get children to cater for, to bath, to cook, to do everything. You dey see am, e no real easy. Me I able to say now una dey bongo, na dey Nigeria, now na even easy for, because one person cry come out say na 50k dem dey pay am. Imagine person dey Nigeria now, she dey work, her husband dey work, at least she go fit still afford those kind of things. Wetin you think? Abeg, I will leave you now, my beautiful people. Now this one I got to talk. Being you, not go dey do eye service because make dem know me. No, it's not good. Being you, one day you go grow, and if you see truth, say na truth. If you see lie, you say this one na lie. Now so it's supposed to be as a human. I'll leave it now. Make una enjoy. Lily Paul, if you not get her, go and get her. Drop your opinion in my comment section. I'll see you now in my next video.
Ciao. 80% of people coming around me are not coming genuinely because they love me. They are coming because they might get me to help their channel. They might get me at some point to do this. A lot of times, gift you. Some make friends, not even gift you, sacrifice their time, willing to fight for you, make videos, sit down and defend you. All these things so many times comes back to be fake. They just want to get your attention. They just want to get you to like them so that you will help in their channel. I'm not saying this to say that helping people is bad, but if I want to help you, let me help you because I want to help you, not you showing me some actions that will lead me to help you, then come back to find out that it was not genuine. Of course, it's going to break me. The reason why they praised you or come back to chat you or hailed you the previous day. A lot of times that happened like this. So all these things made me to realize that it was never a genuine love. I started being insecure, like guiding myself, my close knitted, like last time I called the YouTubers I knew or sent YouTubers I knew messages was when I did a surprise welcoming content for my husband when he came back 2020 after COVID. I wanted that video to go viral. I even shared it on Facebook. I reached a lot of YouTubers that I know, that I've physically met, that I've just come in contact. I want this video to go viral. A lot of them read, they didn't share. I wasn't angry, of course I don't. That's coming to you just for what they will gain. I prefer when somebody will come to me and say, I want to pay, and I'll be the one to tell you, please don't pay. At least you will know that this person is not loving you outrightly for anything. There's a way you will look at it. You will think that person is being pompous, that person is not welcoming, that person is acting big. No, that person is just guiding their self, that person is just protecting their self. I just want to state this very important one. Of course, there are so many reasons which I want other content creators here watching to leave it that being pompous or influencers are being pompous. They just have to be careful because the way we go to the see love, front, back, yeah, but all of them are coming for something else. I'm telling you. So, and when you find out, it is always heartbreaking. And a lot of times, even when you state it out, they don't even know. If you're equally a content creator and you're in a relationship with a fellow content creator, don't always base it on what they will do for you for your own channel. Just base it on natural love. Yes, one day, if the person wants to help you, they will. Let's say you start a work as a teacher. Your responsibilities as being a teacher, I upload video twice a week, sometimes once a week, sometimes once in 2 weeks. I didn't take it that so deeply serious because I knew I was not yet at that place where I'll put a content, and I'm very certain that at least maximum of 1,000 of you will watch. So it wasn't giving me like stress. But when I got to a certain level that I feel, oh, I now have 1,000 people to watch me when I put out a video, I now made it a point of duty to create content the more, and it made me more busier to create content, think of content to create, edit, put it out, reply comments, and of course, outside YouTube, I have a life outside YouTube. They write on email. Maybe from something they see from video, they might want to ask questions, they might want to advise me, or they might want to reach out about something, but I'm going to get a DM or email, DMs and emails each time I put out a video. And I might put out a video now, just like now, this is after 4. My nanny is this. People will think, hey, because she's now a bit Instagram, and I hold my phone in my hand, reading your Instagram, and I will sleep off. You might think I read your message because it will show seen I did not reply you, but I came online, I will start going to be checking again because tomorrow will come with tomorrow wahala as well. I don't know if you're getting me. I'm just trying to make you understand clearly. So we have lives. Like I have a big YouTuber that I know, she plans her life. But in her case, she's living abroad. If I'm abroad, I'll plan it in a way that it will work for me. But because it's in Nigeria, you might be doing this thing and somebody will knock at your gate. If visitor don't come, you don't enter kitchen, begin frying food. You can just say like this, someone will call you on phone. Where are you? Can you come here now? Because they know you're around. A lot of distractions because I'm living here in Nigeria. But if it is when I'm living abroad, I plan myself. People don't barge into my home anyhow or come. So when you grow to an extent, you have to be wise, careful, not careful in just going out, how you dress or how you appear to people, careful as well how you talk to people on your Instagram, on your email, careful about hackers as well. There are some times when people will drop you message, when you see that message, you're gonna say, this one is criminal. You'll be careful not to click links. You'll be so careful with so many things. That's another thing that happens to us. So you don't talk anyhow anymore. You don't respond to people. Like you read meaning before you say things to the email, because people will read meaning to every single thing you say. And people might pick it up and go and use it and do video. I've watched a lot of growing YouTubers like me that will sit back. Of course, I've done this in the past before. I'm not saying it because I blame them. I did it to them.
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Share